Hi everyone! Welcome to my channel. My name is Anna Christine. You can call me Tintin. And I'm so excited to finally start my YouTube journey. Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I want to share with you how I started working on the cruise ship. My full story, paano ako nag-apply, and I will tell you some tips if you're also dreaming to work on the cruise ship. After I finished my Bachelor of Science in Hotel and Restaurant Management in St. Paul, Manila, I really wanted to explore opportunities in the hospitality industry. I apply in different hotels and restaurants. So my first job is in Outback Steakhouse in Makati. I worked there for almost 2 years. The cruise ship is not in my idea. It just so happened na meron akong guest. And he told me na, Tin, bring your updated resume to me on Monday. So, I was so curious kung ano yung job na ino-offer niya sa akin on that day. So, I went to his office and that's the only time I find out that it was a cruise line industry under Royal Caribbean International. Next, I was scheduled for an interview. Medyo kinakabahan ako, but I make sure to show my passion for customer service, my eagerness to learn, and my positive attitude. I remember the question of the guy who made an interview with me. He asked me kung anong favorite drinks ko. So, I told him my favorite drink is screwdriver. And he asked me, what's the ingredient? So, I told him it was vodka and orange juice. Training and requirements. So after I passed the interview, I had to complete some important trainings, which is STCW, which is the Basic Safety Training for Seafarers, Crowd Management and Crisis Training, medical exams, visa, and passport requirements. So my first time on board. So finally, my first contract came. I was assigned as a bar server. So I still remember the first time I stepped on board. I was amazed by how big and beautiful the ship was. My first ship was Radiance of the Seas and it was in Canada. So I met co-workers from different nationalities. The very first week was a very challenging for me. There's a lot of trainings that you need to attend. Pagod at puyat. Hindi madali. Pero if you have the dedication, you will see the big opportunities in working in the cruise ship. Challenges I face. Of course, it wasn't always easy. I miss my family, work long shifts, and sometimes I felt homesick. That time, wala pang Facebook, wala pang video call. We have to go out the port to make a phone call. Napakahaba pa ng pila to get a phone because all of the crew members will go out at the same time. But I stayed focused on my goals, made new friends on board, and grew stronger every contract. What I learned working on a cruise ship taught me independence, hard work, patience, strong customer service skills, and how to work with people from different cultures. My message to you, if you are someone who dreams of working on a cruise ship, don't be afraid to try. Prepare well, be honest during the interview, and have a strong work ethic. It's not an easy job, but it can open so many opportunities. This is Tintin, and see you again.